If you've ever wanted to replicate restaurant-quality stir-fries, deep-fried delicacies, or flavorful stews at home, this souped-up recipe's 13.4-inch carbon steel wok promises to be your ultimate culinary companion. Designed by the popular YouTube channel Souped Up Recipes, this wok boasts versatility, durability, and precision, all in one package. Whether you're cooking on electric, induction, or gas stoves, this wok ensures that your dishes are cooked to perfection every time. In this comprehensive review, we'll explore everything this wok has to offer. From its exceptional build quality and pre-seasoned surface, to its compatibility with various stoves and included accessories, we'll delve into why this wok deserves a spot in your kitchen arsenal. Key features of the Souped Up Recipes Carbon Steel Wok. Number 1. Pre-seasoned for immediate use. Unlike many carbon steel woks that require extensive seasoning before first use, the Souped Up Recipes wok comes pre-seasoned. This means you can start cooking your favorite dishes straight out of the box. From sizzling stir-fries to crispy deep-fried snacks, the pre-seasoned surface enhances flavor while preventing food from sticking. Number 2. Handles high heat and scratches. The wok's carbon steel construction is designed to withstand extreme heat without warping or degrading. Whether you're using it for high-temperature stir-frying or slow-cooking stews, this wok excels in heat retention and distribution. Additionally, it's scratch-resistant, allowing you to use metal utensils without worrying about damaging the surface. Number 3. Flat bottom design for versatile compatibility. One of the standout features is its flat bottom design, making it suitable for electric, induction, and gas stoves. Unlike traditional round bottom woks, which require specialized wok rings, this wok ensures stability and even cooking on modern stovetops. Number 4. Comprehensive cooking support. This wok isn't just a cooking tool, it's part of a complete cooking experience. The set includes a stainless steel spatula for effortless flipping and tossing, a wooden lid for steaming and heat retention, a user guide with detailed instructions on seasoning, cleaning, and maintenance, access to over 200 video recipes created by Souped Up Recipes, ensuring you're never short on inspiration. Why choose the Souped Up Recipes wok? Durability that lasts a lifetime. With proper care, this wok can last you a lifetime. The high-quality carbon steel construction ensures it won't rust, warp, or lose its nonstick properties when maintained correctly. The included instructions make it easy to keep your wok in top condition. Perfect for healthy cooking. Carbon steel woks require minimal oil to achieve a nonstick surface, making them ideal for health-conscious individuals. You can create flavorful dishes without excessive grease, maintaining the natural taste of your ingredients. Restaurant-quality results at home. Thanks to its exceptional heat distribution, this wok lets you achieve the smoky flavor and crisp texture that are hallmarks of professional stir-frying. Whether you're making a quick vegetable stir-fry or an elaborate noodle dish, the results will rival those of your favorite takeout spot. Enhanced cooking efficiency. The wok's large 13.4-inch size provides ample space for cooking family-sized portions, reducing the need for multiple batches. Its high walls prevent spills and splatters, keeping your stovetop clean and reducing prep time. How to maintain your wok for long-lasting performance. 1. Season regularly. After each use, apply a thin layer of oil to the wok's surface to prevent rust. 2. Avoid soap. Clean the wok with hot water and a soft sponge. Avoid using soap, as it can strip the seasoning. 3. Dry thoroughly. Ensure the wok is completely dry before storing it to prevent moisture buildup. 4. Store properly. Keep the wok in a dry, ventilated space. You can also hang it for convenience. By following these steps, your wok will remain in pristine condition for years to come. Conclusion. The Souped Up Recipes 13.4-inch carbon steel wok isn't just a cookware item, it's an investment in better, healthier, and more flavorful cooking. Its durable construction, versatility, and thoughtful design make it an essential addition to any kitchen. Whether you're a seasoned chef or a home cook looking to elevate your meals, this wok delivers on all fronts. Don't settle for subpar results. Bring the magic of authentic stir-fry cooking into your home with this premium wok set. Order now and start creating dishes that will impress your family and friends. If you enjoyed this review, like the video and subscribe to our channel for more in-depth reviews.